Find the prime factorization of 300. A factorization means we're going to write 300 as a product. Prime factorization means as a product of prime numbers. We can begin by writing 300 as any product, say 2 times 150. 2 is a prime number, but 150 can be factored further, so we factor 150, writing 2 times 150 is 2 times 75. 75 can be factored further. 2 does not go into 75, but 3 does. So we can write this as 2 times 2 times 3 times 25. 2, 2, and 3 are prime numbers. 25 is not. We can factor 25, though, as 5 times 5. So we have 2 times 2 times 3 times 5 times 5. This is a product of all prime numbers, and therefore this is the prime factorization of 300.